Hey guys, so in this video what we are mainly doing is we are going to create a new user on this API channel and then make a request that allows us to send a message on behalf of that user. So we are going to create a new user in this channel, this API channel, and then we are also going to receive whatever response we want to receive from this user. To do this, you have to make an API request to this bot URL. Now, this is the same bot URL that you received in the previous step when setting up the webhook. And in the body, you can see that you have content. So this is the content can be anything here, whatever you want, the text you want from the user side to be able to send to us. And then there are two things, name and id. These are mandatory. The id can be unique, anything unique. It's You can consider this as a custom user id set by your own platform to for this user, and the name can be the name of the user. The rest of it is optional. However, the type needs to be contact. If you go down the conversation id and event, you don't really need the conversation id here, but the event message underscore created is needed. Now let's go and make this request. If you go back here, we can see that I have let's do this. Hey, how are you, can you help me? And this is going to be the content of the message that we are going to receive from the user. The message type would be incoming, and the id is just an arbitrary id I have set up. Let's make it 333 as well. The name can be Mr. Test, and you don't really need conversation id, but you can set it up as, let's say, 1. And then the event is called message dot create underscore created. Now let's make this request. If you click on test, you will see this is to response 200. If you go back to the live chat, you can see that a new user has been created called Mr. Test with the variables that we have set up. And you can also look at this small rectangle box with the blue mark, which indicates that this user is the user of the API channel. And that's how we are going to receive all the messages from here. Now, if I type anything to this user, let's say, I am here to help you out, from the live chat as an agent, you will receive this on your mock server. So if you go back here, you can see that, hey, I'm going to help you out. This is going to be received by you. So that's how you are going to send a normal simple message from your user, create a new user, and then receive the message back.